What's up, YouTube? Local Boys Fish coming at you live and direct from Pine Flat Lake. We're gonna be fishing, and conditions are pretty damn cold. It's 37 degrees and we have about 5 mile per hour wind speed. And real quick, I'm just gonna do a review and throw this in the video real quick because it's been about a year since I've been fishing with my Garmin system. I also wanted to cover and share with you guys some upgrades that I did to my 2001 Bass Tracker Classic. And of course it came standard, but some of these things that you are going to see are not standard. So I went with the Garmin Force trolling motor with live scope. As you can see, the only thing I could say that I really don't like is that the transducer is on the very bottom of the motor. I got to get a Mohawk cover to protect that, because when you're in shallow waters like the Delta, Eastman Lake, it gets beat up pretty bad. So my suggestion is do not crash into stuff. But the Garmin Force motor is very, very powerful. With all this weight, I probably added about 80 to 100 pounds to my whole rig. So the spot lock is fantastic. Also, after about fishing for a whole year, the live scope is actually on the trolling motor. So what I'm considering right now is doing a separate mount on the boat compared to the trolling motor, because when the trolling motor goes into the ground or goes into the water, the trolling motor and spot lock is moving left and right, and so is your live scope, which is not a good thing. You want your live scope to stay continuous, looking at the fish, and not be relative to where the fish are, where the water is taking its spot lock. So that's something I'm definitely working on. But very, very powerful. It's easy to lift. It does not have a hydraulic lift, it's a manual lift. I went with the Garmin Force 106 SVs, so you can see that here. Went with the Panther mount and the reseated foot pedal. It's pretty dope. As you guys can see, I have some Canon rod holders. I got 4 in the 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Those are modified and added. Let's see here else what we got. We got some rod holders here. These are Berkeley rod holders. I got them for $19.99 on Amazon. And so you got 3 rod holders in the front, 4 in the boat. You have, as you can see right here, we got 3 more, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we added some cup holders here. These were kind of a pain in the butt to install, just because it was such a tight spot to get into. You can see also we got the Canon mounts in the back. We have the GoPro with the power stick, which is nice. And also we added an additional battery and a 3-bank power switch, which is nice. And we also got a kill switch. And we also have the 3-bay charger. That way we don't have to worry about how much battery we have. Not really an upgrade, but I also have a spare gas tank in the back. But when we're fishing larger bodies of waters like New Melones, Pine Flat, deeper waters in the Delta, we have some spare gas tank. But everything else is pretty much standard. Quick video, down and dirty. Local Boys Fish. Subscribe if you like the video. There's one last upgrade that I wanted to share with you guys. See these things save so much time, and they keep your boat so secure. They're called Boat Buddies. They're 110 for 2. So here's the Garmin transducer in the back. That's what it looks like. So hope you like the video. Like, share, subscribe.
Motor, some pretty
Oh, by the way,